going to show you how to create an animated video like this. Before, if you want to create an animated video, you're going to be needing a lot of tools. But right now, you need just very short tool and simple tool in order for you to be able to create animated video. Hey guys, my name is Felix Onheri and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe and then turn on post notification. And also don't forget to click on the like button. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you need is ChatGPT. So once you have ChatGPT, you can be able to upload your image, right? So you can upload your image here, then write this prompt that is here. So once you've written the prompt, the next thing you want to do is you're going to see this. So this was the first image it generated, a 3D realistic image, and I didn't actually like it. I needed something good and something better. So I gave it more prompt and told it what to do, and it gave me this, and it was actually boring. So I didn't like this guy. So the next thing I did was to use a tool called Sora. So Sora is actually owned by OpenAI. So you can use either ChatGPT or Sora depending on the kind of tool that you're looking to create. Sora actually gave a pretty much good tool and is there. So you can see this is the one they did. So this was sample test, then they did this one, then I told it to adjust this guy, adjusted it, we tested for different version of it, and we were able to get a better one. So once you go to Sora, what you need to do is add your image. So I have most of my image there, so we are going to add an image. So I'm going to choose from my library, and then we're going to use selected. So we're then going to create a prompt, right? The prompt is create a cartoon image of me in a podcast studio. So once you click on that, we are going to then remix it. So after remixing it, the next thing you want to do is to download the image that you actually want. So when you're done downloading it, you then go to a tool called 11 Lab. The work of 11 Lab is for you to refine your voice to the best possible voice out there, or to choose any voice option that you actually want, right? So I prefer 11 Lab to majority of the option because I've created my own voice that sound exactly just like me. So this is one part of the voice that sound exactly just like me. With this style, well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using three simple tools: 11 Labs, ChatGPT, and Hedra. So this is a voice that sounds exactly just like me. So if you want to create your own voice in 11 Lab, go to Voices, then click on Add a New Voice. So we're going to use the professional voice clone. It's actually a paid feature and it allows you for just one professional voice. So you can create more than one. So you click on professional voice clone, then upload up to 2 hours of your video, right? So they need that video 2 hours so that they can be able to get your voice accurately. After that, it's going to take you to another prompt and tell you to read out that prompt for I think 30 seconds or 1 minute or whatever. So once you are done, it then refines your voice. It takes a duration of 24 to 48 hours for you to create different language model for you, and then you can be able to then use those model, right? So this instant voice clone is not as effective as the professional voice clone. So this is the instant voice clone right here, and I didn't actually like it, so I'm not making use of it. Now once you are done, there are two major features in the 11 Lab that you actually need. The first one is called the text to speech or the voice changer. So with the voice changer, you can actually record the kind of speech that you want that animated video to say. So you can record it right here, and then you change the voice to whatever voice that you want to make use of. Or you can go to text to speech, right? You can go to text to speech, and in text to speech you can actually write the text that you actually want, and then you click on generate speech. So once you're done generating your speech, the next thing you want to do is you want to download that speech. It's very important. This script was created by ChatGPT, so you want to create your script in ChatGPT, put in your prompt and write your script, then send it to 11 Lab and you generate a speech. Ever wondered how to turn a still image into a beautiful talking animation, just like Ghibli style? Well, so that's it. So when you're done, there's going to be an option for you to download it right here. So it's still regenerating. We are going to wait for it to generate, and then we can now download it. So it's done. I'm going to download it right now, and it's downloaded. The next tool you want to use in order for you to be able to create your animated video is called Hedra. So with Hedra, you can be able to create various different animated video depending on the plan that you are in. So this is the Hedra tool. So when you come right here, you want to create an account, sign in, and what have you. Then you can it allows you for 400 credits to use for the time, and you can always buy more credits. So in this video, I am on the paid plan, and I'm going to be using the paid plan to show you. So let's click on start frame. We upload the image, and let's go down. So this is our image, and then next thing we're going to do is we're going to be uploading our audio scripts. So we upload, so you can actually record it if you want. You can generate your speech if you want, depending on how you want it. So you're going to upload it because I have it downloaded already. And yeah, so this is like a 2 minute. I don't want to create a 2 minute video, so I'm thinking a 30 seconds. Then all right, we're going to reduce the background noise, and we're going to add video. So now, sorry, audio. So now the next thing you want to do is write a prompt, right? So we're going to say, I want this I want the animated video to be fun and engaging. So when done, we're going to click on, now it's going to cost me like 200 credits to do this. So when done, we're going to click on generate. So we're going to, it's going to take little seconds here and there, or some minutes, and we should have it generated. So guys, our final video is ready, and I'm going to be showing you the final video and how it actually looks like. But before I do that, please, I'll need you to do something for me. I'll need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to turn on the post notification. Most importantly, I'll need you to like this video. By doing this, you're going to help this video to get to the right set of people and get more people to actually watch this video and help this YouTube channel to actually grow. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to turn on post notification, so that once I create stunning videos like this, you are going to actually be the first to see it. I'm going to be playing the final export of this video so that you can see how it looks like. And also tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Are you going to try this? If you're going to try it, also tell me in the comment section, and I need to see a final edit of this video from your end. So check the description and check the comment to join my community. If you've not joined my community, I'm going to be talking about how to create more videos, more animated videos, and how you can be able to use any of these tools to create animated videos. But ever wondered how to turn a still image into a beautiful talking animation, just like Ghibli style? Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to learn the 4 foundations of AI, I've put it on the screen. Click on the screen to watch the video.